Sitting at the lake. With my grandpa, we're going fishing. You good, Grandpa?
Huh?
The thing got tangled?
Gotcha.
Oh, okay.
Throw stuff away. Shoot.
Oh, what they caught?
Yeah, we did caught one.
Oh, she did?
Yeah. Doggone, I said, that's the same. What y'all talking about?
I'm gonna see what my nephew is and tell him. I'm gonna come back and sit with you, Grandpa. I'm gonna go see my little nephew for a second. Take a walk in the nature trail today. See where my nephew is at today. I see them. There they are. Y'all catch anything? Oh, so this is a good spot to catch stuff.
I know I did, but they keep eating it off.
I told you I was coming.
I told you the spot.
I'm sitting down there with Grandpa. But I told you I was coming. Because I got my seat down there. I hope y'all catch it. I ain't got no bait. I probably should have got a worm. I got another rod. I don't think I want to fish. I don't want to touch no worm. It is nice to be out here anyway. I should have brought me some water, but I didn't. I'll do one last overview of the lake. And that's my day. Don't talk about my hair. Please don't. Okay, well, TTW for now. Bye.